Hello friends, today we will do unboxing video about Bajaj Classic 750 watt mixer grinder precisely, which contains three grinding jars, one consisting one liquiding jar, one grinding jar, one chutney jar. So let's unbox. Packaging was awesome. I bought it from Amazon.com. It cost me 3,170 rupees. So get good packaging here. This is the main motor, grinding machine. Good packaging right here. Here is all the necessary accessories. So let's keep aside these things. Here we get the jars right here. It comes in steel color and maroon shades. Nice colors. Here is all the leads. We get here the little jar, the grinding jar, yeah, right here. Get another lead, and right here we get a plastic knife-like structure for some purposes. This is a specifically this is a chutney blade, as you can see. So let's keep it aside. This should be the chutney jar. It's quite big, and it has here four spinning blades, as you can see here. There is four blades for good rotation, I think. We don't get any, I suppose we don't get here any locking systems. We don't get here any locking system. So now we will see the motor, the main motor unit. So it is pretty good color. There is a regulator over here, so it indicates various operations, grinding, liquidizing, etc., according to your amount of grinding. So this is the side. There is a caution message about the OPL switch, 12P switch, sorry. So this is when we turn it upside down, we will see there is a QR code that's at its bottom. So these are rubber pads, stands. They are pretty good for keeping it upright. We are seeing here the Bajaj specifications right here. Yes, Bajaj Classic 750 mixer grinder, as you can see, 750 watt. So rating is good, 230 volt, 50 hertz, 750 watt, 18,000 rpm. So it's pretty good. This is the QR code, and this is the well-be. As you can see, if there is overloading, I mean, you have you have poured more things into the containers, and the motor has shut down. So you have to unload the things, and then you have to press the OLP switch and then again restart the mixer, and it will be fine. It is an overload protector, OLP. So this is the wear. The motor. One more thing I forgot to say you. There is written over this packaging that it's a 100% copper motor, and it's provided with, it comes along with 5-year motor warranty, and the overall body is 2 years warranty, as you can see here. So as I can say from my own experience, that Bajaj customer service is very good. And now we will see the warranty. It's right here. Yes, this is the warranty, as you can see here. This is provided with various models of Bajaj. You can see here with Classic 750 model here. Here it is, the user manual is right here. There is technical specifications for 750 watt Bajaj motor type. As you can see, it is universal motor type. And here is the specifications of Bajaj Classic 750 and GX12 also. The various markings right here, do's and don'ts. You can see here. And one more thing I will recommend you to check before buying this. There is a 3D hologram over this warranty card, as you can see. Yes, this is the precisely this is the 3D temper proof, application proof Bajaj hologram. Yes, and here you can see it is it comes with 2 years warranty. There are 5 years warranty on motor, as you can see. So the product was overall very much good. Now we will run it we'll run it and see how is the noise, and is it running properly with the chutney jar. So now friends, we will run it over electricity and check if the motor is running properly. And first we will not put the chutney jar, we have to on the regulator. Wow, very good. Noise is moderate. Rotating blade, as you can see, is very good. Now we should have this thing. Before running it, you should check whether it is locked properly. So it is very good. It is running very good. So it is properly locked and it is not coming out. So thank you friends, we are done with this video, and I will recommend you to buy this Bajaj Classic 750 watt model. This is very good, and it runs properly. The noise is moderate, so its function was very nice. So thank you. Next time with me.